In this tutorial, we will show you the step-by-step process of removing MOTW from files and folders, using the BitRecover MOTW Remover Wizard. To install our MOTW Remover, download it from the link in the video description. After installation, simply launch the software. To begin, click the Next button. This tool provides users with select file or select folder options. Users can choose either one of the available options. Click Next. Check on checkbox to select the files to remove MOTW metadata. Click Next. The Destination Path section allows you to specify the destination folder where the selected file will be exported. Export CSV report option lets the user to save the export report in CSV format. Our tool provides advanced setting options to include fields in CSV export report. Here users can select multiple fields to be included in CSV export report, such as default fields that include file name and full path, and advanced fields that include zone ID, host URL, referrer URL, created date, and modified date. After configuring all the settings, simply click the Remove button, and the process will begin. Once the removal process is completed, you'll receive a notification indicating that you have successfully removed MOTW metadata. Click OK. And open the destination folder to access the newly exported files. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.